What's good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions Beats and Feasts. It's Friday, guys. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do a good old-fashioned chest pie. In my opinion, the best pie in the world. Something I grew up on. My mom used to make it all the time. But guys, hey, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to share the video, guys. Let's get started with some chest pie. This recipe, like I said, is very, very, very simple. Very few ingredients, but my God, this pie is so good. So like always, I'm gonna start with my supporting cast. So for this recipe, like I said, few ingredients. So let me start here. We're gonna need 3 sticks of butter. Now this recipe makes 2 pies, guys. So this is for 2 pies. If you want 1 pie, then cut this in half. But first of all, you need 3 sticks of butter, softened, a little bit of vanilla extract. You need 10 egg yolks. No whites, just the yolks. Carnation evaporated milk. You need 2/3 cup of flour and 3 1/4 cups of sugar, just regular good old sugar. And of course you need pie shells. You need 9-inch pie shells. Here we go. And let me express that they have to be deep pie shells for this recipe. It'll make exactly 2 pies. Guys, so to get started, I've already added my 3 1/4 cups of sugar and my 2/3 cup of flour to this large mixing bowl. To this, I'm just gonna add right now my 10 egg yolks. And I have to express egg yolks, no whites in this recipe. We're adding 10 egg yolks. And like I said, this makes 2 pies, guys. So if you want 1 pie, cut this in half. All right. And I'm gonna add my 3 sticks of butter that have been melted. This is a very, very rich pie, guys. And I grew up loving it. Alright. So we're going to start the mixer here on slow. Alright, until we get about that consistency. Then at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my little bit of vanilla here. Just a dash, maybe about a half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna add my evaporated milk slowly here. A little bit at a time. Alright guys, and now I'm gonna scrape down the sides of this so make sure we got it all incorporated here. I told you this is a very easy pie, but oh my God, is it so good. Alright guys, so we get to about that consistency there, as you can see. And it's really that simple to make, and now we're just going to pour it into the pie shells, guys. Try to distribute it evenly. And there you go, guys. 2 perfect chest pies, guys. So we're going to put this in a 350 oven. It's going to take about an hour until you stick a knife in the middle of it and it comes out clean. So 350 is perfect. And let me pop these in the oven and I'll show you a finished product when they're done, guys. You can see I've taken the pies out. Oh, they look good. They look good. So I've already done a test on one of them. I can stick it in there and it comes out clean. We're going to do this one. Comes out clean. They're done, guys. Look at them. They look beautiful. Beautiful creatures. Anyway, So we're gonna let these pies rest. You probably see the top of it. It'll sink down a little bit once it rests for a little bit. Then I'll cut a slice and let you see what it looks like. All right, BFM, so there you have it, the world's best and easiest chest pie. Perfection on a plate. I don't know what else to say, guys. And if you liked the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. Hey, this is Bigtone. Until next time, peace.